Hello everyone, my name is Olectralab and welcome to the channel. Welcome back to the channel, depending on whether or not you've been here before. And I'm still trying to figure out how to make refined oil. We've got some oil over here. I'm going to have to get lots of oil because we need the refined oil in order to make the spaceship jet fuel. We're going to need to make jet fuel. Oh, I fell. It's alright, I've got this cool life stone that Avedon gave me. It keeps me alive. Oh, pardon me. I just munched on an onion like it was an apple. And it was very tasty for a little while, and now it's coming back to bite me. Anyway, now where were we? We've got to go over and get more oil from Avenon's base. I got the oil for him before, but he's more of a nuclear physics and practical engineering, like making complicated sorting machines and all sorts inside this mod pack. And I'm more of a Galacticraft nerd. So I'm going to go ahead and I've completely forgot what I was going to do. What was I going to do? My grandma called me up and just kept asking me questions over and over again, and it completely wiped my memory as to what I was doing. I was in the middle of doing something very important. What was it? Uh, we're, I've completely forgotten what we're doing. We're getting oil. We're getting oil. My goodness. Whenever she calls up, it just wipes my memory of every good thought that I had. Anyway, we've gotta get all this oil. It's gonna be tons of oil, lots of oil. No offense to my grandma, she's great, except for when she's not. Just go over here, and I would love to fly over, but I'm pretty sure the server's too laggy. Is there options I can do in video settings to make this less laggy? Shadows off? No. What are we doing here? What's GUA scale? Let's. Oh no! What have I done? Let's put this back to 3. Particles. We'll put all VSync off. What's VBOS? I'm just gonna turn it off just to see if it makes it less laggy. Also render distance. Let's turn that up to 12 chunks. Please work. I don't know if it's my game or the server that's laggy. One of them's laggy, and it's making it so chunks do not appear properly. Anyway, we should be able to navigate the matrix and figure out how to get up there. Please, matrix, load in. I've built a base too big and the server can't handle it. We have to take this oil to the refinery that I spent a lot of mental effort figuring out how to do. The floor hasn't been finished in the NASA work lab that I've built. And apparently it just goes straight to the void. Please load. Pretty please load. Why is there extra keystroke noises coming onto my computer? This is a bit weird. Alright, we've got to go up here. There's a lot of floors. I'm having trouble navigating my own building. We've got to go over here. And we've got to climb up this thing past the launch tower. We've got to go back over the nuclear reactor. We should just build a bridge across here because it's just too insufferable to get across here. I'm just going to build a platform straight through here. Oh no, look what I've got undone. The lag. The lag is terrible. I need a better PC. I don't know if it's the PC or the server, but something is tanking right now. I think it's since I got that Eve online game. It's just been lagging my computer out. I don't know why. I might have to go into the files and just manually uninstall it because it's causing nightmares to my computer. My computer did not used to be like this. It used to play perfectly fine, and then I got Eve Online, and it just absolutely stuffed up my computer. So I don't know if it's laced with malware or whatever it is, because it's a free game, and nothing's for free. We all know that nothing's for free. Alright, more oil. Let's refine the oil. We need enough oil to fill up this tank here. Is it faster if we do this? Wait just a second. Can I break this tube and this tube and perhaps just put oil here? Oh no, that's not going to work. Of course it's not going to work. Let me put a block here and a block here. Oh dear, it's like molasses. It's so thick. Alright, I'll come over here. Is this gonna fill the thing up with oil? No, it is not. Alright, that's not gonna work. We're just gonna have to manually put the oil in. And we're also gonna have to run to the nether portal and get more oil as well. You can see why the Americas need so much oil, so they can go to space and do all sorts of other cool stuff. What is this? Water pump pipe. That sounds pretty cool. I'm pretty sure that's the industrial mod though. I don't know much about that. I'm just going to put in the oil prompt and we're going to see what we have to do. Olive oil. We do not need olive oil. Distilled oil. Cool bucket. That's Buildcraft. I'm going to find Galacticraft's oil. What are these? Oil lanterns. Soil meter. That would be awesome. It's like I can do my horticulture classes in here. Charge coil maybe for transformer. Oh man. I don't even know what to do with this oil. Can I put a tin canister in here and fill it up with oil? Is that how this works? I think I need a lot of oil in order to fill this up. So let's go back to the the place where I found some oil and refill up with oil. I'm pretty sure it's just over here. I hope I don't lag the game up by loading too many chunks. I could use the nether hub to get there, but I just feel like this server... I don't know if it's this farm here that Avenon's built, or if it's the mining equipment. Something on this server is making it unplayably laggy. Again, I still don't know if it's the server or my computer. I really wanted to play EVE Online, but I also want my computer to not die. I have no... If anyone knows in the comments how to properly finish getting the oil, because I need to make rocket fuel. What is this? Heavy oil searing, that's Buildcraft. Bucket of oil, Buildcraft. How come there's no oil from Galacticraft? Let me just see if there's... Uh-oh, why is the power going? Oh no, the power's dropping because there's no sun. The sun's gone down. And my refinery is not working. No, I've got to sleep. Got to sleep, and through the magic of going to sleep, we will power up the refinery. So I've figured out how to refine the oil. I just don't know what to do now. So if anyone knows, let me know in the comments. I'm sure Red would know if he was on the server, but I've never seemed to time up right here on the server. But thanks for watching so far. I hope it hasn't been too laggy. And I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye. Have an excellent